Republic of the Philippines, Commission on Elections, Intramuros, Manila, National Board of Canvassers. We, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting as the National Board of Canvassers, do hereby proclaim Francis N. Pangilinan as Senator-elect in the May 9, 2016 national and local elections. Done this 19th day of May 2016 at the Philippine International Convention Center, City of Pasay, Philippines. Signed, J. Andres D. Bautista, Chairman, and all the 6 commissioners.
Now may I call on the family and friends of Senator-elect Pangilinan to please join him on stage for the picture taking.